Discover new ways to enrich and refresh your spirit and body. Enjoy a fulfilling experience with the all-new Healing to the Nations mobile app. Get instant access to a world of faith and miracles. Watch life-transforming programs on Healing Streams TV Live and stir faith as you watch testimonies and documentaries on demand. Relive extraordinary moments from past Healing Streams programs. Read, download, or listen to your favorite Healing to the Nations magazine, including the new magazine for kids and in any language. Need healing? Sign up for the 14-day healing program and embark on a journey of faith and transformation. Let God's Word vitalize your body as you take the Divine Health Confessions and renew your mind with insightful blogs, books, and other amazing resources. Be the first to take action with your registration, participation, and partnership in Healing School programs and outreaches. Unlock these outstanding benefits and more with the Healing to the Nations subscription plan that's best for you. The Healing to the Nations mobile app is a worthy companion. Get it now on the Love World App Store and be sure to share with others. The Healing to the Nations mobile app. Experience the miraculous.